Hi, we have our patient here who had NeoGraft hair restoration about 2.5 months ago. We decided it was about 10 weeks ago. And just wanted to ask you how it was. First of all, what made you decide to have hair restoration using the NeoGraft method? Had you looked into other methods?
I did look into other methods, and after extensive research, the NeoGraft was by far and away the most successful.
Right.
And
as far as the take of the graft.
right,
yeah,
and because I keep my hair short, I didn't want the scar in the back. So
yeah, it gives you that flexibility, not have to hide a scar in the back.
yeah, there was no other option for me.
I agree. For someone like you, it was the perfect choice.
Yes.
How was it on the day of the procedure? How would you describe your experience in general? Was it difficult? Was it painful? Was it easy? What would you say?
No, it was very easy. There was no pain,
Yeah.
no pain at all. The only pain was maybe that night I had a little bit of pain in the recipient site,
Right.
but it was very manageable.
Right. And do you have any swelling, anything like that to manage?
I had some swelling
Swelling.
about across the bridge of my nose,
Right.
but that was it, minor swelling.
How long would you say before you felt comfortable being out in public or going back to work?
A week to 10 days.
A week to 10 days?
Yeah.
And then at that point you were perfectly comfortable being in public? So you took that much time from work?
I took about a week off from work,
About a
yeah.
week off from work,
Yeah.
yeah. Was it easy to manage the donor? How about the donor site? How did that feel?
It was within days that was almost not noticeable that anything was done.
Right. Oh, when you left the day of the procedure, I could almost barely tell
Yeah.
that your donor site was.
Within just a couple of days, you couldn't tell.
Right, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And as we can see from the back of your head today, it looks perfect.
Yeah.
So you're starting to experience some of the growth in the transplanted follicles. Did you have any shedding?
There was some shedding, but not all of the follicles shed. I'm already seeing growth in the very
Yes,
front.
I see it from here.
Yeah.
So yeah, typically 3 to 6 months is when the hair growth cycle will catch up, and you'll see some hair growth. You did have the light treatment around the time of the procedure,
I did.
and we do see that that reduces the rate of shedding afterwards.
Oh.
So I'm sure that was beneficial. Great. Are you feeling positive about the whole thing?
Yes,
Would you
very much.
recommend it to a friend?
Absolutely.
Or,
I would very much recommend it, yes, sir.
Very good. But I'm glad you had such a good result, and
Thank you.
thank you for talking about it.
Certainly, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.